Hey guys, this is Amit and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite versus Realme GT Neo Flash, and we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips, and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, 11 Lite have triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 5 megapixel of macro camera. Whereas Neo Flash comes with triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera. So I will call it a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same camera specs. And about the front camera of the devices, 11 Lite have 16 megapixel of wide camera, whereas Neo Flash have 16 megapixel of wide camera. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same camera specs. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. 11 Lite have dual LED flash, HDR and panorama, whereas Neo Flash have dual tone dual LED flash, HDR and panorama. So the winner here is Neo Flash because of dual tone. And about the video recording options in the devices, 11 Lite can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 120 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization, whereas Neo Flash comes with 4K recording max at 60 fps and Full HD video max at 480 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it can record 4K video at 60 fps. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. 11 Lite have Android 11 support. On the other side, Neo Flash have Android 11 support. So it's a tie. And about the user interface of the devices, 11 Lite have MIUI whereas Neo Flash have Realme UI. So it's a tie because both of the user interface have different UI. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. 11 Lite is powered by Snapdragon 732G 5G based on 8nm processor, whereas Neo Flash is powered by Dimensity 1200 5G based on 6nm processor. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it have 26% faster processing speed, which gives the device faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, 11 Lite is packed with Adreno 618, whereas Neo Flash is packed with the Mali G77. So the winner here is Mali G77, that is Neo Flash because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. 11 Lite can clock at 2.3 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset, whereas Neo Flash can clock at 3.0 GHz based on octa-core Cortex chipset. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have faster clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, 11 Lite have 3 RAM variants, 4, 6 and 8 GB, whereas Neo Flash have 2 RAM variants, 8 and 12 GB. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it have bigger capacity of RAM. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. 11 Lite comes with 64 and 128 GB of storage, whereas Neo Flash have 256 GB of storage. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it have bigger storage option and faster read and write speed. And about the external storage of the devices, 11 Lite have shared card slot, whereas Neo Flash did not have any. So the winner here is 11 Lite. Moving to the display features of the devices, let's start with the display size of the devices. 11 Lite have 6.55 inches of display, whereas Neo Flash also have 6.43 inches of display. So it's a tie here because both of the devices have approximately the same screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, 11 Lite have approximately 85.3%, whereas Neo Flash have 85.9%. So it's a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. 11 Lite comes with Full HD Plus display. On the other side, Neo Flash also have Full HD Plus display. And about the display type of the devices, 11 Lite have AMOLED display having 90Hz of refresh rate with HDR10 support, whereas Neo Flash have Super AMOLED display having 120Hz of refresh rate. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have HDR10 support, which makes the display more color vibrant and produces more darker black. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. 11 Lite have 6.8 mm of thickness, whereas Neo Flash have 8.4 mm of thickness. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, 11 Lite comes with 157 grams of weight, whereas Neo Flash have 179 grams of weight. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have lower body weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, 11 Lite have Gorilla Glass 5, whereas Neo Flash have Gorilla Glass 3. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have newer generation of glass which is more durable than its older generation. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. 11 Lite have glass back with plastic frame, whereas Neo Flash have plastic back with plastic frame. So the winner here is 11 Lite because of solid build quality it have. And about the SIM options in the devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. 11 Lite have side mounted fingerprint scanner, on the other side Neo Flash have under display fingerprint scanner. So the winner here is 11 Lite because it have physical scanner which is faster than under display fingerprint scanner. And about the sensors in the devices, the 11 Lite have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas Neo Flash have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. So again it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. 11 Lite have 4200 mAh of battery capacity, whereas Neo Flash have 4500 mAh of battery capacity. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it have bigger battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. 11 Lite have 33 watts of fast charging, whereas Neo Flash have 65 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it can charge up your device faster. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. 11 Lite comes with dual speakers, whereas Neo Flash have stereo speakers. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it can produce a massive sound. And about the headphone jack of the devices, 11 Lite did not have 3.5mm of headphone jack, whereas Neo Flash have. So the winner here is Neo Flash. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the WLAN of the devices. Both of the devices comes with Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, but Neo Flash have 6th generation of Wi-Fi which increase the coverage area as well as the speed of the connection. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, 11 Lite have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth, whereas Neo Flash have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth. So it's a tie here because both of the devices have same generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. 11 Lite have a GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS, whereas Neo Flash have dual band GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS and QSS chip. So the winner here is Neo Flash because it have QSS chip. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, 11 Lite comes with 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, whereas Neo Flash have 2nd gen of Type-C connector. So the winner here is 11 Lite. Moving to the price of the devices, in the international market, starting range of 11 Lite is around $270, whereas Neo Flash is available from $300. In the Indian market, 11 Lite is around 22,000 rupees, whereas Neo Flash is available from 22,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera the winner is Neo Flash, in the performance the winner is Neo Flash, in the display the winner is 11 Lite, in the body segment the winner here is 11 Lite, in the features of the device the winner here is Neo Flash, in the communication chips the winner here is Neo Flash, and about the prices the winner here is Neo Flash. So the decision is totally yours, which device you like the most so far, and let me know in the comment below what do you think, which device is better for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what you thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.